everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to upload images on Roblox. So if you want to upload images on Roblox, this video is just for you. Follow these simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. Here you can see I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type www.roblox.com, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official homepage of Roblox. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now in order to upload the images, look at top and you can see several options over here. The third option is the create option. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be redirected to this kind of interface. At top you can see several options over here. At first you can see option for dashboard. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you can see several options, experiences, events, avatar items, development items. All you have to do is click on development items. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you can see options for models and packages, plugins, audio, decals, images, videos, meshes, animations, etc. All you have to do is click on the decals option right over here. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. All you have to do is click on the upload asset button. Now you'll be redirected to this page where you can upload your image. Here you can see button for upload, click on it. Now upload the image of your choice. Click on open. Now here you can edit the name of the image. Also you can write the description. Now all you have to do is click on the upload button that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here your image is uploading right over here. It will take a few minutes and your image will be uploaded. So that is how you upload images on Roblox. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.